Hello everyone. In this video, let's see how to upload video to YouTube. So for that, first you need to open Chrome or any other browser. So you need to select the Gmail accounts YouTube, which is linked to YouTube. So you need to have YouTube account. Currently, I have this one account. So after you are creating your YouTube account, go to this YouTube Studio. So this is the link. Here you can able to upload YouTube videos. So here click on this create. In this option upload video, here select video. I will be selecting one video which I created. So this is the one which I am selecting. So after this I already saved some data. Like this I copy every time the let me check. The keyword length is just 100 letters. Every time I store like this in this notepad, what are all the content required to upload for this video, I will be previously storing all the data in this. And also you need to give thumbnail. I already created thumbnail. Every time to create thumbnail I will be using Canva tool. So this is the one which I created in Canva. You can download it in JPG format. You need to select current page. So only this one get downloaded right now. Yes, it just downloaded. This is the thumbnail which I'm going to add. And here upload file. In downloads I will be selecting this. And you need to select this as no, it's not made for kids. Here are some of the options you need to give it. You don't need to select these options. Some options leave it as by default. You don't need to complete. And you need to add keywords as well, keywords and tags. I will be adding some keywords. Keywords are tags. If you want to watch any coding related videos, you can subscribe to this channel, Code Aspirant. So here I will be posting all the videos related to website designing and coding related, and also some tech related content I will be posting in this channel. And after adding these keywords, you need to select the language. So currently it is English India. Okay, so in which language you created this video, based on that language you need to select this language here. And it will ask for the recording date and location. So I am selecting current date and video location. Where you download it, you can select that one. I'll be selecting this Bangalore. And you need to give tags. You can mention these tags in description as well, so it will be good for SEO purpose. and also use that same. If you have some more letter keywords in your tags, you can use that in tags as well. Basically, when users click on these keywords, your video is going to be appear based on that keywords. So okay, I added all these tags. After this, you need to, if you would like to give any here concept overview, you can also give like this. For that, you need to select any kind of education. Only in education it will shows like this. If you select any science and tech, it won't show. I will leave it as education, and also concept overview like this. You need to give this timestamp like this. I will give like this. You can give any timestamps. Collections in Postman like this, something you can also give. And here you select all this as by default, and here you can select add screens. I will be importing video. So if you select this option, at the end of this video you will get your channel icon, a logo, and here you can select this video. I will be selecting this one and I will leave it like this. Okay, that's fine for me. And also click on save. You can also add cards. Let's say when you are at 10 seconds, there is one pop-up appear right here in your video while it is playing. Like that you can add those editings. I will make it as public. If you want to make this video to be public on certain date with certain timing, you can schedule the timings right here. If you want to publish right now, you can select public in this save or publish option and click on this publish. So right now this video is going to be uploaded. In content section you will see this option. See, it is showing public. Yes, this is how you can upload videos in YouTube. Thanks for watching.